Retail Fast Track, Week 2, Lesson 11. Learn about necessary certifications your product may require and their impact on your retail opportunities. As you continue to refine your retail product journey, it's crucial to consider the role of certifications. These validations, awarded by professional bodies, can significantly influence the marketability and credibility of your product. Certifications can open doors to new retail opportunities, help build trust with consumers, and even give you a competitive edge. Let's delve into why these certifications matter and how they can shape your retail opportunities. Certifications serve as a stamp of approval, showcasing that your product meets specific standards or benchmarks set by recognized industry or regulatory bodies. They can cover a range of aspects, from safety and quality to environmental impact and fair trade practices. For instance, consider the USDA organic certification. When a product carries this label, it assures consumers that it has met strict production and handling standards set by the USDA. This not only boosts the product's marketability, but also commands a premium price point. Certifications can significantly enhance your brand's trust and credibility. They reassure retailers and consumers that your product has undergone rigorous testing or verification processes and adheres to high standards. A great example is the Energy Star certification for electronic products. This EPA-backed label communicates that the product is energy efficient, giving consumers confidence in their purchase and standing out to retailers looking to stock environmentally friendly products. In a saturated retail market, certifications can provide a vital differentiator. They can make your products stand out on the shelves and online, appealing to discerning consumers who value these certifications. Consider the Fair Trade Certified Trademark Seal. Products carrying this certification stand out to consumers who prioritize ethical sourcing and fair labor practices, potentially swaying their purchase decision in a competitive market. Certain certifications can also pave the way to new retail opportunities, allowing you to tap into niche or specialized markets. For example, products with a gluten-free certification organization, GFCO certification, can access the growing market of consumers who follow gluten-free diets, and many retailers have sections specifically dedicated to these products. In some cases, certifications may be a regulatory requirement for certain categories of products. For instance, electronic products often need to comply with FCC regulations in the US, and a corresponding certification is a prerequisite for retail distribution. In the next phase of our course, we'll explore how to hone your retail engagement, diving into strategies for buyer meetings, pitching your product, and leveraging feedback for growth. Remember, while getting your product certified may seem like a daunting process, the potential benefits are substantial. Certifications not only enhance your product's credibility and appeal, but can also be your passport to wider retail opportunities. Acquiring relevant certifications is akin to adding feathers to your retail cap. They enhance your product's reputation, facilitate trust with consumers, offer competitive advantage, and can even unlock new market segments. By strategically acquiring and leveraging these certifications, you can pave the way for your product's success in the dynamic retail landscape.